Hello, everybody. Welcome to HCKT TV. My name's Mark, and I want to welcome you to my channel. Please, if you like the content, subscribe and leave a comment. This channel will have ginseng hunting. It will have news, what's going on around Harlan, and also the surrounding areas of Harlan. We do council meetings for Everett's, and a lot of stuff just happens here. We also take requests from people who lived in the area and have moved away and would like to see what the area looks like now. So sit back, enjoy yourself, get your popcorn out, and enjoy HCKT TV. Make sure you give us a subscription if we've earned it. Thank you.
All right, everybody, we're going down 38. It's 15 to 2. Taking my wife to work. We lost internet. We don't know what the road conditions are. Haven't seen a lot of traffic moving. There is debris all in the road, as you can see.
Here.
Yeah, the tree has fell here.
See. I moved. Watch Marla's truck. Right here they had a big fire this morning at around 4 o'clock, 5.
This was the tree I was talking about on Facebook that had fell, and another tree had fell on top of it.
Yeah, you can see the bad. That's why we don't got internet. No doubt.
Yeah, there have been several trees fall throughout the county.
There's been one.
179 is shut down, and 215 has got some trees on it. Heading towards Black Mountain.
We are heading towards Tetersville when we get off 38. That's where I'm. John. Yeah. Yeah, I'm driving out through here now. I love you. Bye-bye. Hey, internet man, go to my house. Tell him it's out in Shields. Oh, it's KU. Never mind. Not who we want.
He's looking for power outages.
Uh-oh.
We have 100,000 people in
Watch,
Kentucky
right
without
here.
power.
You can see here they're working to get restored and cleaned up a big old mess, looks like. So, whoa, 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 don't wreck.
Well, they don't have no flaggers here, honey. You gotta go with your own. When it's clear.
Yeah, everybody's working here trying to clean up. There is no flagger there at the Dartmouth Bridge. If you're coming this way, you might want to be careful. I wish you would.
Above average is in pretty bad conditions. Y'all be safe driving that. And we're back on 38 heading home. I don't know if we've had a car accident or what here yet. Do have emergency vehicles. Ah, looks like a tree has come down in the road. And they have got traffic stopped so they can get that cleaned up. If you're traveling 38, guys, it is a mess. We've had landslides, several trees fall. I mean, if you don't have to be out, stay home. If you got to be out, drive cautiously. Here's where they're stopping traffic on this side. And my wife's done showed you all at the beginning of this, or in the other video. I don't know if I'll be able to tie them together or not. The damage from the house down to Everett's. And once I get back home, I'll be going out in the storm